I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken wrap that is so flavorful. Packed with juicy tender chicken, fresh ingredients, and a rich creamy sauce. A quick and easy chicken wrap that is perfect for lunch or anytime you want something delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. These are the spices that we're going to use for the chicken wrap. Here I've got garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, red chili flakes, some of the chili powder, chipotle powder, black pepper, oregano, salt, some of the MSG along with the sugar, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Using a fork, I'm just going to combine everything. Grab yourself a blender, and now we're going to throw in some of these stems from coriander, garlic cloves, onion, peel of fresh lime, a whole lime without the seeds, going with some of the tomato paste, chipotle peppers, or you can use a bit of the chipotle sauce instead, a good touch of our spices into that, some of this Mexican oregano, good pinch of salt into that, and finally we're going to finish with some of the vinegar, and finally I'm using some of the sunflower oil. This marinade is going to be perfect for our wraps. Are we all done? Look at the consistency. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. For the chicken, I'm using breast that has been sliced into fillet. Add a good touch of our marinade onto that. Now using your hand, give this a really good mix. Combine everything properly. Now you want to leave the chicken to marinate for at least an hour or overnight for best results. A quick sauce for the chicken wraps. Here I've got some of the mayonnaise, fresh marinade. Use more or less depending on your liking. Going with some of the fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and finally some of the milk. A really good mix with that and combine everything. I've just thrown in some of the spices into that. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Done. I'm also going to make a quick rice for our burrito wrap. You can totally skip this. Here I've got chicken stock in that. I'm going to throw in a good touch of our marinade, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now in that I'm also going to add a good touch of our seasoning, around 2 teaspoons. Finally I'm going with some of the fresh jalapenos, some fresh coriander, and finally I'm just going to add in some of the oil into that. Now a really good mix of that. You want to bring this mixture to simmer now. Or once the mixture starts to simmer, we're going to throw in our rice that was just washed. Now you want to let this cook until there is some water left. Make sure to keep mixing it so the flavor goes all over the rice. Or once there is some water left, we're going to steam off the rice. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top. Place your lid and let the rice steam up for around 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Our rice are beautifully steaming now. Let's check this. Bismillah. Throw in some of the cheese and some fresh coriander. Now fluff up the rice. Our delicious cheese and jalapeno rice. Done. For our guacamole, first slice up 2 avocados. Make sure they're nice and ripe. Grab your knife, smack, twist, and the seed should easily come off. Now using a spoon, you want to remove all the flesh into a bowl. Now in that I'm going in with zest of fresh lime and juice of fresh lime as well. Squeeze that in. A good pinch of salt. And now using a fork, I'm going to smash all this. Now let's add rest of the ingredients into that. First I'm going with fresh coriander along with the stems. Our fresh tomatoes, some of the onion, green serrano chili. If you don't like too much heat, then remove the seeds. A light touch of freshly cracked black pepper, and finally some of the Mexican oregano. Now using a fork, give this a really good mix and combine everything properly. Our amazing guacamole. Done. Our chicken has been marinated. Now let's cook it. Make sure to remove it from the fridge at least 20 minutes before you start cooking. Here I've got a cast iron griddle. You want to turn up the heat to around medium. Add a good touch of oil and make sure to spread it all over the griddle. Now carefully add your marinated chicken. Always away from you. You want to grill the chicken for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We're looking for nice grill marks, a beautiful char. It's okay to move the pan around like I always say. Or let's turn over chicken now. Look at that, beautiful. Nice grill marks, exactly what we're looking for. So the chicken is ready now. Let's remove it. Now just keep cooking the next batch of your chicken. So the chicken is done now. Let's chop it up into small pieces. Leftover juices from the chicken, add it onto that. A little bit of the spices onto that again. First of all, you want to grab your warm tortilla. I'm going with some of our creamy sauce. Just gonna add it right here. Some of the sour cream. And now we're gonna add the rice. A good touch of the black beans. A good amount of cheese goes onto that. Some of the onion. Coriander. A little bit of the hot sauce. our pico de gallo salsa right on top, like some of the guacamole. If you guys want, you can skip some of the toppings. You don't have to use every single topping. Generous amount of chicken goes on the top. Jalapenos totally optional. Again, some hot sauce, little bit. Lettuce is gonna add a really nice crunch. Some more for our sauce. Be generous. Some sour cream. So you're gonna grab these both ends. We're gonna layer everything down like so. And now we're just gonna start folding it nice and slowly. You can freeze these chicken wraps or burritos for later use as well. They will last for a couple of months easily. There we go. And now if you want, you can toast it from all sides. These burritos can also be used for meal prep. You know, they're packed with high protein. Look at that amazing cross section, looks so beautiful. You guys are gonna really enjoy this, trust me. Alright guys, let's try our big fat chicken burrito. Bismillah. Wow. That is so delicious. A nice crisp from the lettuce, the chicken, the rice, everything is so good, you know. Wow. Honestly, one of the best chicken burrito that you guys gonna try. Some of the nachos on the side, perfect. The amazing pico de gallo guacamole, wow. I promise you, one of the best chicken burrito that you guys gonna try. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.